Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
What are you cooking?
I am making pasta.
What are you cooking?
I am making pasta.
Can I help?
Yes, please chop the vegetables.
Can I help?
Yes, please chop the vegetables.
Where are the knives?
In the drawer.
Where are the knives?
In the drawer.
How long do we cook the pasta?
About 15 minutes.
How long do we cook the pasta?
About 15 minutes.
Can you stir the sauce?
Sure, I can do that.
Can you stir the sauce?
Sure, I can do that.
Do you need more oil?
No, this is enough.
Do you need more oil?
No, this is enough.
Do you need any spices?
Yes, get me some salt and pepper.
Do you need any spices?
Yes, get me some salt and pepper.
Should I preheat the oven?
Yes, to 300 degrees.
Should I preheat the oven?
Yes, to 300 degrees.
Can you grate the cheese?
Yes, I will do that now.
Can you grate the cheese?
Yes, I will do that now.
Do you want some help with that?
Yes, please set the table.
Do you want some help with that?
Yes, please set the table.
Where is the cutting board?
On the counter.
Where is the cutting board?
On the counter.
Is the water boiling?
Yes, it's ready.
Is the water boiling?
Yes, it's ready.
Is this chicken cooked?
Yes, it's done.
Is this chicken cooked?
Yes, it's done.
Should I add more salt?
Yes, just a pinch.
Should I add more salt?
Yes, just a pinch.
Where's the spatula?
In the utensil holder.
Where's the spatula?
In the utensil holder.
Do you need more onion?
Yes, please chop some.
Do you need more onion?
Yes, please chop some.
Do you need help with the dessert?
Yes, can you whip the cream?
Do you need help with the dessert?
Yes, can you whip the cream?
Is the salad ready?
Yes, it's ready.
Is the salad ready?
Yes, it's ready.
Can you slice the bread?
Sure, I will do it now.
Can you slice the bread?
Sure, I will do it now.
Should I start the rice?
Yes, please.
Should I start the rice?
Yes, please.
In the sauce. Ready?
Yes, it is.
In the sauce. Ready?
Yes, it is. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.